Hi Sumolings! TinyCommand is a no-code automation platform that replaces your entire tool stack. Forms, enrichment, workflows, AI agents, and emails, all in one place, all talking to each other. Whatever you're automating, onboarding, hiring, outreach, operations, TinyCommand builds the whole pipeline from a single prompt. Let me show you. Someone types, "Build me a client onboarding pipeline that collects details, researches the client, and sends a personalized welcome email automatically." The AI builder kicks in. It asks a couple of quick questions, then starts building, live, in front of you. Within seconds, a form, a workflow, and a personalized email. All connected, all ready to go. Let me show you what just got built. The form is already structured with everything you need. Tweak it, publish it, done. The workflow fires the moment someone submits. It takes the data, researches the client, and triggers the next steps, all natively connected, nothing to wire up separately. The email is already written and personalized. Client submits, research runs, email goes out, automatically. Now, the 5 products behind all of this. Forms, mid-form API calls, real-time OTP verification, and data enrichment before the user even hits submit. No other form tool does this. Tables. Paste a list of companies or people, click once, industry, headcount, LinkedIn, decision makers, all populated automatically. No Clay, no Apollo. This is the one that makes most of our users stop and say, "Wait, what just happened?" Workflows. Logic-driven automations, 200+ app integrations, AI steps, human approval nodes. Describe it. AI builds the first version, you approve it. Agents. AI that acts, not just chats. Tiny Scout researches. Tiny Composer writes outreach. Tiny Enricher fills data gaps. Drop any of them into your workflow in seconds. Emails. AI-generated templates with live variables pulling directly from your table data. Personalized to every contact, fired automatically by your workflow. 5 tools you're currently paying for separately. Zapier, Airtable, Clay, Typeform, MailChimp, replaced by one connected platform. TinyCommand is live on AppSumo right now. Lifetime deal. Grab it. Because all it takes is a TinyCommand.